jack-o'-lantern pumpkin that my son planted is doing really well. The pumpkin's growing. There's another one forming, but that's the key. Here's one of them, really large. So there's my hand, already pretty big, and we're on the first week of June. There's another one forming. There's probably another one in here somewhere, but there's another one forming right there, and another one somewhere else. But that's the key. You don't want one plant to produce 20 pumpkins for you, or you're gonna get small pumpkins. If you want 20, 30 pumpkins, plant more plants. Don't rely on one poor plant to provide all that, because there's only one root system. And it's trying to keep the leaves alive. These huge leaves that you can see right here, right next to my little doggy. You see that huge leaf? You know, that's gonna take a lot of sun rays, and that's gonna take a lot of water. So if you want more pumpkins, plant more plants. If not, prune the fruit that you have producing right now to make big ones. Bye.